What's up, man? My name's Jesse.
Nice to meet you, Jesse. I'm Cody.
Cody, the artist. Okay. How old are you? Where you come from?
I am 24 and I'm from Minnesota.
Minnesota. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there for J4. That was dope, man.
Yeah, you liked it? That was
yeah,
awesome.
that was
J4 is always awesome.
And then I was wondering, what type of girls are you into?
I'm into those nerdy, cute girls.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
That's good. Do they have to be Hmong?
They don't have to be Hmong.
They don't have to be Hmong. Just be
Yeah.
nerdy, okay?
Yeah.
And then, what do you come to? You just come to New Year's to sell your stuff?
Yeah, this is actually my first time at the Fresno New Year, so it's been great. I was supposed to go home like 2 days ago, but I extended my flight.
Good stuff.
I love
good
Fresno
stuff.
so much.
Good stuff. And then, couple buckets, yeah.
我们没挨着啊，是的 I'm okay.
Yeah,
I know a little bit.
Okay, then give me your best, knee, yeah.
Oh,
Do
okay.
it.
我家乡南都我落了呀梦嘞。
Oh, shit, that was good.
I
That was
don't know a
dope.
little bit.
Okay.